Now, folks, sometimes you gotta take a hard look at yourself and don't even ask what other people think about your work, right? Now, we bought a kilo of this pork, but it had a thick, about a 2-inch thing of fat around the rim on it. And I'm not down with that fat, you know. American, we're not down with eating that fat. But my Filipina, she is, and she said, no, leave it in there, right? So I looked at that pork, and I said, well, it's all right, whatever. It's like 70% pork, meat, and 30% fat. And I'm gonna tell you right now, every bite that hit my palate was nothing but a slice of fat. Now the food is gone. I think everybody said it's okay, it's good, whatever. But it was not working for me. The foreign guy, my own cooking was so damn disgusting tonight that I just ate like fucking 6 of these rolls left over from the bakery this morning, butter on them. I can't do that again. I'm all about trying to bend to other people's culture, but one thing I cannot do is put a piece of pork fat in my mouth and eat it. I can't do it. So we're not pulling that shit again. Like I said, the food's gone, the rice gone, there's nothing else left. Everybody ate it, they like it. And I'm glad they did. But this dude will no longer, I'll no longer partake in that. If I eat it, if I cook it for them, for my wife's family, friends, whatever, then I can't eat it. It just was not good, it was not delicious, it was horrible for me. And basically I put a piece of meat in my mouth and spit it out, and that fucking dog over there ate like a quarter pound of fat. And so this was not a good dining experience for me, other than everything else about it. I'm here on the beach, it's fucking beautiful, I got good friends, I've got Vidjoki over there, and I'm about to go to Vidjoki. But the meal that I made, if a foreigner, when I say foreigner, if somebody not from the Philippines ate that meal, folks, I wouldn't serve that to you because we can't do it. So I told my wife, I said, hey, we can't do that shit no more. At least I can't do it no more. Okay? I'm not down with eating straight up fat. Every bite I put in my mouth was fat, and that dog ate it over there. So basically I filled up on rice, a little sauce, and some rolls. Shitty meal for me. Luckily, I got me some rum going on. I got me a fresh cigar. And this damn dog pissed on my bag. I'm about to go to Vidjoki and listen to Kick It. But there will be no more cooking with fucking pork fat in my wok. It's not happening. Thanks for joining me, my friends. Tonight, my scale on the cooking show is either no good, good, or delicious. Tonight, I give my own skills a fucking horrible. It's my own fault. I got nobody else to blame. But you learn from your mistakes. I won't do that shit again. And I won't buy the same type of pork either. Many mistakes were made today. But hey, that's how you learn when you're cooking. Get in the kitchen, throw down, make something, see how it comes out. And it's either no good, good, or delicious. Tonight, fucking Siskel and Ebert will give this shit 2 big thumbs down. God damn it, I cooked a whole kilo of that shit too. Knew I should have went with a half a kilo. Well, I'll do better tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, I think I'm gonna take you guys to this place over there called Dockside. It's made out of shipping containers right on the water, just like this. Cold beer, barbecue. Tomorrow night's gotta be a barbecue night to redeem. I mean, I am just like, I cannot tell you how disappointed I am in the taste of what I just produced. I will never do that shit again. Never. And I apologize, but I mean everybody else ate it.
Huwag pa rin
Whatever,
mabuhat
but
yung bagong
it's
tukot.
horrible. Absolutely horrible on the Overstay Road Grill. Report card tonight.
Si kuwat-kuwat niya itong aging
Fuck.
wala ito pagkuha niya dire kay Yara kung ibalik.
Alright, my friends. I might take you over to VidJoke here. I might put the camera away and just say goodnight. We'll see how it goes.
Basa ba yan? Cut!